Hi, this is a custom screencast for the Pinnacle Group showing how you can double or triple your annual business revenue because currently the website as it is leaving a lot of um, potential revenue to your competitors. So first of all, the website looks pretty good. It says it's all secured, which is great, and it loads fast. But unfortunately, if we dig into the keywords for your website, we see that for the services that you offer, such as storm doors, window um, replacement windows, it's really not being ranked. And it's important to be on the first page of Google because 92% of all clicks are made on the first page. So if your website is not being found for the people that are looking for your services, that means you're leaving potentially tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of business to your competitors. So for example, if we look at one of your competitors for, say, window replacement Richmond, for example, we see the top competitor as Window Depot Richmond.com. We see that there's a couple factors that make them outrank you. So one is page content. So if we go to their website, we see that they have quite a bit of content. So in order to beat them, you would need to have more content written around those keywords than they do. The second factor is that we see that they have quite a number of backlinks and referring domains. And backlinks and referring domains are simply when another website links to your website. And in general, the more backlinks you have, the higher the website will rank. But not all backlinks are equal. You'd want more and higher quality backlinks than your competitors. And that is something that we can help you with. The third factor is something called citations. And citations is anytime your business name, phone number, and address is mentioned in a local directory like Yellow Pages or Yelp. And the more citations that your business has, the higher it will rank because in Google's eyes, it has more authority. So these are just some tips and strategies that you can implement to get your website ranking higher and start getting those calls that are instead going to your competitors. So I hope this is really useful. Feel free to tell your current marketing, web development team uh, to really start optimizing the SEO side of things. Otherwise, if you need any help, feel free to reach back up. Feel free to reach out to us, and we'll see if we can help you in getting you that business that instead is going to your competitors. Thanks, and have a great day.